The NFT trend has been picking up a lot of steam recently, with NFTs making record sales and a ton of high quality NFT focused projects hitting the market. In this video, I'm going to highlight 6 different NFT projects that I think have got some incredible potential in the 2021 bull run. My name's Lark, and every day I make videos to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to catch all of my videos. By the way, every single week my team and I produce an investor report called Wealth Mastery. So in every single issue of this report, you are going to get a deep dive altcoin report on a hot trending altcoin. We do top tier technical analysis. There's an interview with an industry leader. We have a step-by-step decentralized finance tutorial, the latest, hottest token sales and airdrops and news, and much, much more. All of that for less than $10 a week, meaning that this is the most value-packed and the most affordable investor report on the market. You can click on the link down below in the description to become a member today and don't miss out on another issue. So let's get into the topic of digital art and collectibles and other stuff, gaming, all this stuff, specifically NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. This is the cryptocurrency technology that allows you to create a unique digital asset, like imagine a trading card, a Magic the Gathering card, but on the blockchain. For example, you can see here this piece of art by the artist Josie Bellini is a unique digital collectible art piece immortalizing the famous Bitcoin developer Hal Finney. Someone bought this art piece for $1,600 some time ago. They recently sold it for around $16,000. Pretty solid return on investment. By the way, the art behind me, also by Josie Bellini. Now, the art piece with Hal Finney, while unique, is also not unique in the fact that it has been making massive freaking gains. NFT mania is currently sweeping across crypto land. A piece of land, for example, in the NFT-based game Axie Infinity, which we've covered here on the channel before, sold for $1.5 million, which is crazy. Billionaires and famous personalities, they're out there starting to talk about NFTs. Mark Cuban, Chamath Palihapitiya, Gary Vee, the Winklevoss twins, and lots of other people are starting to talk about and to buy NFTs. Some of them, like Mark Cuban, are even making and selling their own NFTs. This trend is going to be huge. And in this video, I want to tell you how you can get involved. Now, one of the simplest ways is to just buy and hold NFT collectibles. You can buy art or gaming items or cards and whatever it might be. So the websites OpenSea and Rarible are probably the best marketplaces for buying and trading different NFTs. You can just hop on there today, browse for a cool art piece that you like, click on buy, and then you can own that NFT and be part of the NFT revolution. Now, I currently just have one piece of NFT art. I'll probably buy a few more just for fun in the future, but that's really what it should be for, I think, a lot of you guys, unless you're really serious about having the time to invest in the NFTs themselves, because here's the truth about NFT art. Most of these are going to crash and burn in value super, super hard. A few of them will go on to be worth incredible sums of money, though. The trick is finding which ones are the good ones and not buying the rubbish ones, which is why you should buy something that you like, right? But more than buying and holding the pieces of NFT art themselves, I like the idea of owning the picks and shovels of the NFT gold rush. So here are my top 6 NFT coins that I'm watching right now and that you should have on your radar. And let's be clear, there's a lot of good NFT coins out there, including some upcoming coins that are still pretty under the radar. But here is my short list of mega promising NFT coins to have on your radar right now. And we're going to be covering a few different use cases here inside the NFT niche. So the first one is called Seascape. Now, this is one of the most recent DAO Maker launchpads, and while PokeStarter Launchpad has been getting a lot of attention, actually DAO Maker launchpads have been getting incredible traction as well, seeing some really big gains. So you should definitely be following DAO Maker and, be keeping an eye on the launchpad listings that they have. Anyway, besides the point, Seascape is a gaming platform using gamification, DeFi, and of course NFTs to create an incentivized ecosystem for gamers and developers and influencers to come together and create this ecosystem of value within gaming. The platform will enable the production of really awesome blockchain-based games with rewards for gamers paid out either in the native Seascape token, CWS, or NFTs. Seascape will be leveraging the power of Polkadot for their gaming ecosystem. Now, Seascape's crazy. It's backed by BINANCE as well as some other really major partners like Matic and MakerDAO and Algorand and OpenSea, the NFT marketplace. It's done like a 3x since we first talked about it here on the channel, which is pretty gosh darn impressive. I expect that as NFT mania starts to pick up, that's going to go a lot higher. The second coin on the list today is also a recent DAO maker offering. It's called My Neighbor Alice. Now, this is actually a game. So this is directly a game, not the building pieces for a game, but actually a game. It's a multiplayer builder game where anyone can buy and own virtual islands as well as building different items. Now, it's been inspired by the wildly popular Animal Crossing game. So the idea here is to not have this just be a blockchain game. We've seen lots of blockchain games that haven't been super successful, right? You're just targeting crypto nerds. What they want this to be is to be a game for everyone that introduces millions of people to NFTs, kind of following the idea of what we're going to see Axie Infinity doing. And I think Axie Infinity has proven just how valuable these game tokens can be. Remember, Axie Infinity just sold a plot of virtual land for $1.5 million. And the Axie token's worth about 100x of what the initial market cap of Alice will be. So yeah, there's lots of potential for investing in the game tokens directly. The third coin to have on your NFT watch list is Terra Virtua. Now, we've talked about this coin a few times on the channel before. Still a massive fan of it, still holding most of my bags of this. I hope you guys are paying attention to this one because the last time we talked about it on the channel, it was worth like 5 cents or something. It's done like a 7x now, which is incredible. So it's seen some really big gains. Terra Virtua is working with digital collectibles for popular franchises, including mega film franchises like Legendary and Paramount, who are behind some of the biggest film franchises in the world. Terra Virtua even offers a virtual world where you can basically take your NFT collectibles and display them in your fan cave, so you can go into your VR world and check out these different tokens. Now, holding the token, the Terra Virtua Collect token, this will allow you to get NFT airdrops as well as to farm rare NFT tokens. Now, this is one of those coins that I think has real viral growth potential as we see it picking up and getting more adoption with these big partners that they have. The fourth really interesting coin to have on your radar is Etherenity. Now, this may be the first time you've been hearing about this coin. This is a purpose-built platform for NFTs. It will allow for the minting of digital collectibles and trading cards. Now, they plan on attracting up-and-coming artists, and they're actually already working with some people like Mad Dog Jones and Boss Logic. So these are some pretty cool artists that they've already got on board the platform. As well, they're looking to get celebrities to participate in the platform. So they're going to be creating different collections for all kinds of use cases. Music, entrepreneurs, the NBA, the Major League Baseball, the NHL, NFL, soccer, boxing, tennis, all kinds of stuff, right? And they've actually got some really big names that they're rumored to be signing. We don't have the exact names of who those are yet. They're still haven't been released, but the rumor going around is they got some really, really big people in terms of celebrities already signed onto this platform. Now, the big value proposition here is going to be that they're offering authenticated NFTs, ensuring that the collectibles that you're actually buying, selling, and trading are the real deal and not fake ones, because we're already seeing a lot of fakes of popular high-value NFTs ending up on the markets. These guys are working to stop that problem, making sure you're getting the real deal. Now, the ERN token will allow you to be able to farm unique NFTs by staking in liquidity pools, which is pretty damn cool. Oh, and a percentage of every NFT sale on the platform goes to top-ranked charity organizations, which is nice to see. I like that. Now, there's no information regarding the sale yet, so stay tuned. Head over to their Twitter, follow them, make sure to stay up to date with new releases, and of course for the upcoming token sale when it comes. I think this is going to be a really hot one. The next coin I want to discuss are actually out of the digital collectibles and out of the gaming space. There's two of them here, actually. These are enterprise NFT solutions. Now, the first one is called Persistence. Persistence is one that we've mentioned on the channel a couple of times before. Persistence is using basically the power of NFTs for enterprise use cases. So tokenizing real world items and then bringing those real world items tokenized on chain. The use cases here are absolutely crazy. Here's an example. So shipping invoices. So those can take a long time to actually get paid, right? In the meantime, a company is sitting there with this invoice worth money. Somebody owes them money, right? But they don't have any cash in their hand to pay their bills, pay their staff, all this kind of stuff. With Persistence, what you can do is actually tokenize that invoice and then put it up as collateral in, for example, like MakerDAO or something like that, and get a cash loan. So that's pretty damn cool. And that's just one potential use case for them. This one has some massive backers like Arrington Capital, and it's working with some of the biggest validators in the Cosmos ecosystem. So definitely a use case that I'm bullish on to see enterprise NFTs becoming a thing. Now, they've also been running a huge stake drop campaign for the last few months, giving away loads of tokens to stakers across a bunch of different chains. So we've covered that here on the channel. We've covered that in the newsletter as well. So hopefully some of you guys actually took that offer up, started staking, and got those free Persistence tokens. The Persistence public sale will be coming up pretty soon, so do get ready for that. Make sure you're following them as well on social media to know when that sale is going to be. And the final one we have to talk about today is called Split. Now, this is using the power of NFT technology in e-commerce. So Split works by assigning a unique NFT to every inventory item, basically functioning as a standard kind of stock keeping unit number, but powered by the latest cutting edge NFT technology. It will allow for things like affiliate payments to be built straight into the tokens, so affiliates basically get paid out in real time when there's a sale of one of these products linked to an NFT. They already have a major use case lined up as well called Maison Du. Now, this will aggregate over 700 different luxury brands together, creating a next generation e-commerce platform. So really big use case straight off the bat here. They will also be implementing a global reputation system, so you can take that with you from marketplace to marketplace. Tokenized inventory also has a lot of potential, very interesting use cases for DeFi too. I mean, just imagine the potential being a seller, right? You can take all those inventory you have, all that inventory you have, and get a decentralized loan against that inventory sitting in your warehouse. While you're waiting to sell your items, you can actually free up that liquidity. Game-changing stuff here, very exciting. And like all high-hype projects of 2021, it's being built on the Polkadot blockchain. The sale dates have not been announced yet, so do stay tuned for this one. Anyway, those are just the big NFT projects that I'm watching right now. But what about you? Are you buying NFTs directly? Are you buying the coins like I'm doing, or are you just staying out of the whole NFT thing together? You don't want the NFTs, you don't want the NFT coins, you're just sticking with DeFi, sticking with Bitcoin, whatever it might be. Let me know down below in the comments section. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.